Tables in CODAP allow for multiple data levels. Here we have data about 10 different plants. Each plant was observed and measured 20 times. You can see those measurements by clicking the plus sign. Notice that when I click on a plant, all of the data about that plant are highlighted. You can add columns to any level of the table. Let's add a new column that describes a single thing about each plant, its maximum height. To do that, I click on the ruler icon of the table inspector and select New Attribute in Plants. I would use New Attribute in Measurements if I wanted to record something about the plant for each day it was observed. Note, column names can't have spaces, so I'm going to use an underscore here. I can use the data from the table to find the max height. I could also use the graphs made of that data, or I can use an equation to calculate the values for max height. To use an equation to calculate values for a column, either define that equation when making the column, or click the column header and select Edit Formula. Here I can create the formula I need to calculate the maximum height of a plant. First, I select max from the list of functions, and then I tell it what attribute to use. Now you can see that each plant has a maximum height. You can adjust the visual representation of the table in various ways. Grab the right side of a column to change its width. You can reorder columns by dragging the column headers, and rename them by clicking on the column title. In the rare case when you want to delete data, select it and use the delete icon in the table inspector to choose Delete Selected Cases.